2026 is almost here, but over 80% of cross-border sellers and brands are still sourcing on Alibaba the same way they did 5 years ago. Late at night, you are staring at your screen, waiting for that "Hello dear" reply. Ever wondered? What's between you and factories thousands of miles away isn't just a screen. It's a huge cultural gap. When this gap is quietly eating up 20 to 30% of your profits in hidden costs. This is not alarmist talk. Just last week, an Amazon seller with 5 years of experience told me he spent 3 months confirming a sample, material, dimensions, color, packaging, down to the smallest detail. Yet, when the bulk order arrived, each product was 15 grams heavier than the sample. The entire batch couldn't fit into the custom packaging. When he confronted the factory, their response, "Always closing up heavier means better quality." In the precision-driving context of Chinese manufacturing, the phrase "closing up" often means the whole batch is scrapped. Stories like this happen every day, because the biggest challenges in sourcing from China has never been the technical implementation, but rather the decoding culture. When a factory says, "No problem," they don't mean "I'll guarantee it," they mean "I will try." When the manager says "almost down," it could be 3 days or a week, depends if you are in their priority list. When the QC says "produce as a sample," they might mean "I'll get as close as possible within cost limits." Even not familiar, we can't do it. Usually, it's "we can't do it at this price," or "we don't want to do it for this order size, but we can talk if things change." These unspoken rules are like encrypted messages in every communication. And when you rely on translation tools and pour Chinese from behind the screen, you've already lost the first round of negotiations. First, when stocks scrolling Alibaba's rankings, you only see the tip of the iceberg. The truly top-tier factories, the hidden champions with poor craftsmanship, the most flexible production lines, and the most competitive pricing aren't on any platform. No English customer service staff, no fancy product pages, no Alibaba stores. Some don't even have an overseas website. Their production schedule have been booked 3 months in advance. They never chase clients. They rely on industry reputation and referrals. But here's the question: who's able to ensure 0.01 millimeters precision for the mold? Who can handle urgent orders in 72 hours? Who's willing to make a new tooling for 200 million MOQ? The answers are off-platform. That's why, for the past 8 years, we didn't see the Shenzhen office as a key border resources. We moved our workspace to Dongguan's small shops, Zhongshan's electroplating lines, Jieyang and Yongkang's stainless steel factories, and Chaozhou's ceramic kilns. We learned to negotiate in 3 languages. With factory owners, speak buzz language, share your brand roadmap, show long-term value, not just single order profits. With the production masters, speak craft language, discuss mold structure, material shrinkage, surface treatment tolerances. Let them know you are an insider. They won't cut corners. When factory QC and the supervising staff, quality standard language, know when to act flexibly and which production lines need to on-site supervision. We also understand the difference between can do and willing to do. Can do is a technology. Willing to do is a relationship. In China, no process is truly impossible. Only certain relationships are hard to navigate. We know which factories is the real decision maker, which workshop supervisor has real skills, which links are prone to flexibility, and how to access urgent production resources when needed. These are the real codes to cut costs and boost efficiency. Our clients include century of UK manufacturers, US DTC startups, $15 million Amazon sellers, and Kickstarter success stories. They're in drinkware, beauty, medical, crafts, luggage, fitness gear, but they all have one thing in common: they focus on marketing and leave supply chains to us. Because if brand sourcing's mission isn't just finding factories, it's finding the perfect voice for your brand. We know your brand philosophy, target audience, and a competitive strategy must finally land through products. Our job to make that landing preserve your brand integrity while optimizing cost and maximizing efficiency. We care more about our sales growth and long-term business. The further your brand grows, the longer we stay. So, if you have a product idea but don't know how to execute it, if you're tired of inefficiency, uncertain platform communications, if you want to break through information barriers and connect with the real, low-key hidden factories, reach out via our website, DM us on this channel, or drop a comment below. Share your industry and the sourcing pain points. Maybe we can open a brand new path for you. Remember, in China, the best suppliers never wait for you on platforms. They're looking for partners who are professional, knowledgeable, and worth of long-term trust. Are you ready to be that partner?